Print the Legend is a Netflix documentary that provides an insightful look into the world of 3D printing and the entrepreneurs striving to make it a mainstream technology. Directed by Luis Lopez and J. Clay Tweel, the film explores the challenges, aspirations, and competitive landscape of the 3D printing industry. The documentary follows the journeys of several prominent companies in the field, such as MakerBot and Formlabs, as they race to develop affordable and accessible 3D printers for consumers. It highlights the excitement and potential of this emerging technology and the impact it could have on manufacturing, design, and innovation. Print the Legend showcases the personalities and rivalries within the 3D printing community, providing an intimate portrayal of the entrepreneurs and engineers behind the companies. It delves into the dreams and ambitions of these individuals as they navigate the complexities of bringing their products to market and strive for success. The film also addresses the challenges and ethical implications of 3D printing, including issues related to intellectual property, copyright infringement, and the disruptive effects on traditional manufacturing industries. It raises questions about the future of manufacturing, the democratization of production, and the potential for decentralized, on-demand manufacturing. Through interviews, behind-the-scenes footage, and a captivating narrative, Print the Legend offers viewers a fascinating glimpse into the world of 3D printing and the visionary individuals who are shaping its future. It explores the blend of technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship that drives the industry and leaves viewers contemplating the possibilities and impact of this transformative technology. Thanks for watching.